Right then, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Woolsley 1500, look, a lovely looking little car. Starts on the button, sounds really sweet. Super user friendly little thing, these. It looks really straight on the body, look. Nice colour scheme. Lovely colour scheme, in fact. She's a little sweetie, look. There you are. As I say, starts on the button, sounds real sweet, feels real sweet. I've just moved it around the yard and into the building here, and it feels just as it should. They're a real good user-friendly little car, these, they really are. Bodily, as I say, paint, finish, etc. Not perfect, but nice, smart, tidy, bright work, smart, tidy. There you go, look. On the face of it, it looks a real good, proper little user. There you go. And certainly I must say the colour scheme does suit it. So, let's take a closer look. So as I say, paint finish, not perfect. A few little blemishes here and there, but minimal, very minimal. Interior, lovely look. Just settled, lovely. 45,000 on the clock. Never know, you never know. Make your own inquiries, we say it every time, don't we? Plate down there, look. There you go. Inside doors and things finished off nicely, look. Ooh. You hear it ticking over. Again, running nicely. There you go, back seat, good. Headlining, lovely, no problem. There you are. Again, smart and tidy. Moving round. Again, a few paint imperfections. It wasn't painted yesterday or anything like that, you know. There you go, good in the boot there. In fact, it's extremely good in the boot there, look. Same in there, wheel arch, etc. good. Inside door there, good. There we are. There we go. Bulkhead, and in there as you'd want to find it. He's there ticking over like a little sewing machine. So, there you are. It looks a little cracker. She seems to run nice and smooth and sweet. Come down, have a closer look. See you soon.